Unboxing the new ROG Phone 2 STRIX edition. Now it comes with this new box. Here's the phone, the new Aero Cooler 2, and the Aero case. So here's the phone, still the same with the previous 10-cent version. It sports the Snapdragon 855 Plus with a 48 megapixel camera, and still 8 GB RAM and 128 GB of memory. Also comes with the 6000 mAh battery. Let's look at the new Aero Cooler 2. So the Aero Active Cooler 2, I think, goes here. So this is the Aero case. Just like that. So it lights up. Here, you can adjust the fan speed. Look, the fan is actually spinning. So you can change it to auto mode, or you can just play around from low to high. Let's just leave it at auto. Oh, and there's a USB port here and the audio jack. You can actually feel the fan. Let's look at the charger. ROG 30-watt USB adapter. Comes with a braided USB Type-C cord. So to wrap things up, the ROG Phone 2 STRIX edition comes with a cool Aero case, which you can put right here, and the Aero Active Cooler 2, which you could install right here, like this, and it lights up. Also at the back, the new ROG STRIX edition.